Apparently I've never been on live television before. I don't watch the news, and apparently my grandpa likes to watch the Powerball. This thing exploded. Hi, what's up, guys? I'm Ray Ripple, and this is a piece of crap air compressor. And guess what came in the mail today? A brand new one. This thing has been through the ringer. I've used this thing so much that at one point when I was in Big Spring, it exploded. The casting broke. So what did I do? Not buy a new one. I welded it back together. So upgrade we shall. Oh, are we on the surface of the sun? So bright. My new one came in the mail. Ah, my other one does not like to hold air, and I am tired of waiting for it to fill up to use it. Y'all know what I do with the plasma cutter, so you can imagine how frustrating it is to be in the middle of something awesome and have to wait for your air to build back up. So no more. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh. Smells like a swimming pool. Love the way that smells. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. What is this? Ah! That's a bug. Today, on how it was made, I'm going to teach you how to compress large amounts of air to smaller streams of air. I feel like I can pick this up. Free air compressor, porch pickup only. It has a slight vibration in the pulley, but it's been welded by a professional. Ran when dropped.
I don't think that's gonna sell.
Now it will. Your girl is desperate for a forklift. So if anybody has anyone that I can talk to get a forklift, that would be nice. My friend who has a forklift helped me unload this. And when he said, "Are you sure you don't want it moved inside?" I'm not really sure now why I said no. I got it. You want to come help me, honey?
You should fill it with helium first.
That's such a great idea.
I know. Yes.
1, 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. Yeah, baby! Ah, okay. Unlock. What wheel? Oh.
I'm starting to kill them.
ISO forklift. You hold it up a little bit?
Yes.
Okay. Don't. Just a girl, a good girl. I'm so excited. Oh, perfect. I don't have to wait on it to test up, and I can just keep working. It's really nice. caught up so quick. That was so nice. I didn't have to wait at all for this air compressor to catch up to what I'm doing, which is a godsend. It's a blessing. So now I can just like keep working.
One week later.
I have been using the Ingersoll Rand air compressor now for a week. Hands down, probably the highest quality air compressor I've ever used. This thing does not disappoint. Run, don't walk, and get you one.